Okay, so here's a question for you. How on earth do you declutter, downsize, and actually move? Um, we recently moved from a house that my husband had been in for 28 years, and I'll tell you, that was a task. He's one of those guys who saves every screw that he ever took out of anything because he might need it someday. And then when he actually needed it, he couldn't find it, so he had to go out and buy another one. Now we've got two of it. Decluttering is, I don't even like the word decluttering because it kind of presumes that these things that you have don't have value. And whether or not they've got monetary value, in a lot of cases, they've got personal value. So the process of looking at your things that you've accumulated over a lifetime and deciding what are the things that are most important and how do you do honor to the other things, right? We don't just want to pull up a dumpster and start throwing stuff up. We want to make sure that the things that have personal value to you are going to appropriate places. And this is an important and time-consuming and stressful task. I've got folks who can help with that. My name is Roxane Webster. I'm with my home team at Keller Williams Advantage. I'm a real estate agent, but I'm also a real estate planner. And I have access to resources that can help make this process less stressful. And planning is really the key to that. I'd love to start this conversation with you.